What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all of my videos. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a review from a super affiliate, dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you the pros and cons of both. Which one should you start? Which one's a better business model? And which one also I believe is more scalable? And also, I'm gonna try not to be biased, but I'm probably gonna be biased and choose affiliate marketing. But I want to give you guys an honest review from affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Let's jump right in. So the number one reason why I believe e-commerce is a great business model is because most of the offers or products that you run with e-commerce are white hat offers, which means when you run an e-commerce offer, you will have a higher chance to scale your offer. Now, a lot of traffic sources such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, they are not friendly towards affiliates. So that may be a big turnoff for people who want to get into affiliate marketing and also want to start drop shipping. That if you start a drop shipping business, it will be a tad bit easier to scale because you won't have to worry about losing ad accounts or getting ads disapproved because a lot of the offers are Facebook friendly. Now, another benefit to drop shipping is that when you get started and you start to build a brand with your store, you can actually sell your store. You can sell your entire drop shipping business. Now, the key is if you want to sell your dropshipping business, you need to make sure you're keeping track of your profit and loss and you're making detailed processes of your entire setup. Now, a lot of businesses want to see your dropshipping store running for 6 to 12 months. And if you have a store that's making, 10 grand, 5 grand profit every month for 12 months straight, you can end up selling your store for hundreds of thousands of dollars because you have a long-term track record of success with your store. Now that's another benefit to actually drop shipping is that when you're done, you're ready to hang up the cape, you can just sell your store completely. Now another great benefit to actually drop shipping is having full control. Now this means that you control your buyer's list. When customers come to your drop shipping store and they buy, you can take that buyer's data and upload it to Facebook and make lookalike audiences. Then what will happen is that when you upload your email list, you can get cheaper purchases from what I noticed in my campaigns from Facebook finding people similar to your buyers. That's another great benefit to actually owning a store. Now, this is a golden tip that I also recommend. This is, make sure you do this. And I did not know this at all when I very first started. So one thing that you want to do to make your dropshipping store more professional is to get a business address. Now, if you haven't opened up an LLC, I highly recommend, opening up your own company. But one thing that I actually did is I opened up a virtual business address. Now, what that means is when customers want to return the product that they paid from your store, you don't want to send it to your house or, your friend's house or a family's house, or a PO box. You don't want to send your products to that. You want to have a strong return policy where people can send it to your business address. Now, what I tell my customers when they ask for a refund, that I have my virtual assistant let them know that they can send it to our business address, the closest warehouse of our US facility. Now, essentially what happens is that when they return the product, they send it to the business address, and then the virtual business address every Friday will mail me the mail that came to my business address to my home address. Then I can easily process a refund. Now that's just a golden tip for you guys who are getting started with e-commerce and wanting to get started with dropshipping. Now here are some of the cons in terms of dropshipping. The profit margins are a lot more thin in dropshipping. I'm going to give you guys an example. As you know, last month I did almost 50K. This month roughly 30K. And one of the biggest issues is that yes, this month I did have slightly lower numbers, but my profit margin went up to 20%. Last month, my profit margins were 15%. Now, when I do my affiliate marketing campaigns, I know I can get 40 to 80% profit margins once I've tested an offer and I've optimized it and I begin scaling the offer. So to some, that may be a con, getting 15% profit margins as you're scaling. Now keep in mind, even with affiliate marketing, when you scale, your profit margins will decrease overall because you're doing a lot more volume. Now, often overlooked, when you do start drop shipping, this can be a con. When you're running advertising, it can get expensive. Now, the issue I feel a lot of people have with drop shipping is that they're not strong media buyers. Yes, you can actually, you can buy as many training courses as you want. You can watch as many YouTube videos as you want. But until you're in the trenches spending your own money, your hard-earned money on ads, that's when I feel you'll learn your true media buying skills where, you only have $1,000 to spend ads. You're going to be watching your ads daily to make sure that you're trying to get the best return on your money while you're testing products and running a store. So I believe a lot of people struggle with media buying and often overlook the potential of actually using Google with Facebook and Bing for their traffic. So I think that can be a con with dropshipping. If you don't know how to do media buying, you still have to pay for your traffic and your product costs. And in e-commerce, this is called COGS, this is cost of goods. So when you spend $500 on ads and you make $500 back, you still have to purchase the inventory when you start dropshipping. This took a little bit for me to get used to be honest, because when I do CPA marketing, I don't worry about paying for, a product for the customer. I'm not worried about paying, $10 for an iPhone case and doing 100, selling 100 iPhone cases. So that's something to me that took me, off guard, because CPA marketing, no refunds and no BS. You get paid when the customer makes that payment. End of story. Lastly, I'm not going to bash dropshipping too much, but there are a lot of moving pieces to be a successful dropshipper. Now, you have to be good at building teams. You need to have the ability to go out and hire VAs to do specific tasks. Now, if you're not strong at hiring team members, that could be a con, because you have to be adding products to your store. You have to be testing products. Your ads are going to die out eventually. So there's a lot more moving pieces to keep a sustainable, high profit dropshipping store. Now, also, should you start dropshipping or affiliate marketing? If you guys don't know, with affiliate marketing, you get paid when the customer purchases, specifically CPA. When a customer spends $40 on a product, I know that I'm going to make $65 every single time, and I'm not going to be dealing with refunds. I'm not going to be dealing with customers. For example, in dropshipping, you may send the product to the customer, or your virtual assistants, or your Aliexpress is actually what I use for quite a bit of my orders. There was people on Aliexpress who weren't even shipping my products until a week and a half after I made that purchase. So imagine your customer waiting 2 months to get your product. They can easily go open up a dispute with their bank and try to fight you for them not getting their products. Now, I could make this video a 1-hour video going over the pros and cons of dropshipping, but keep in mind, Facebook will survey your customers. So if you're running Facebook ads, Facebook will ask your customers, how was their experience dealing with your fan page and your ads? So keep in mind, if you're not getting your products out fast enough, you will start losing ad accounts, and Facebook can shut you down, and that would shut down your entire business, and you'd have to go set up new ad accounts. Could be a total nightmare. Now, one of the benefits to actually doing affiliate marketing is that you don't have to pay for products, you don't have to deal with customer service, you just have to focus on your funnel and getting ads up and optimizing. That's all you have to do in affiliate marketing. Now, the issue with affiliate marketing is that if you're not collecting emails, then you're not building an asset, you're not building a list. So that means that if you were to lose all of your ad accounts today, or if anything happened, your business would just be out. Now, that can be a con for some people who want to start affiliate marketing. They may be nervous of losing an ad account, but if you have a strategy and you're willing to implement, you don't have to ever worry about losing ad accounts in affiliate marketing. Typically, you're going to lose an account if you start running aggressive offers. For example, if you start running really aggressive weight loss offers and you start making false claims, you can lose an ad account like that. Now, even in dropshipping, you can still lose your ad account for running, you could run an iPhone case, but if you offend someone with your ad copy of an iPhone case, you could still lose your ad account. But anyways, which one would I choose? I choose affiliate marketing because to me, I love affiliate marketing. I love knowing that I get paid every time I make a sale, And also in the near future, I'm going to be going over how you can make monthly recurring affiliate commissions and how I'm crushing it. But anyways, everybody, thank you for watching this video and making it to the end. You are the MVP. If you comment, I will answer your question within the very first hour. And make sure, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know which one do you prefer, affiliate marketing or drop shipping. I'll leave that question with you. Thank you for watching.